Maria. Skirts, tops, skirts as tops. Let's get into it.
Numero uno.
So you may or may not, most likely may not, recognize this. So this is the camisole that I cut the bottom of to create a waistband for that three-tiered skirt. This is the top half of it. And today it is going to serve us greatly. So this one is going to be very simple. Very, very simple. All I'm going to do is add straps. And it'll be done. So those straps are going to come off of here, which I'm pretty sure you've guessed by now. And I'm just going to sew this on using a ladder stitch. So I've done a ladder stitch along that edge. I'm just going to do a whip stitch. So in and out, in and out. Into the fold of the band.
Numero dos.
So I want to combine this ruffle skirt with this button up to make a fun button up. I've already marked the position where I want to attach it from, but before I can do that, I need to open this up. I think we're going to have to use our handy dandy seam ripper. Sorry about that. I sewed it down at the very top and actually didn't sew the sides. So now I'm going to play around with the ruffles. I want to cut it a bit shorter. I also want to add some to the sleeves and possibly the collar. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna get back to you.
Numero tres.
So I'm gonna use this t-shirt. So I've put it on. I really should have taken off the orange one, but it's already been done. Okay, so this is like where I want it to sit. Safety pin. I'm just gonna pin that in place. Okay. I wanted to put one over there, but it's kind of hard to reach, so. Okay. So from the inside, I'm going to measure the distance from the bottom of the t-shirt to the point where it's safety pinned and use that measurement as a marker all the way around. So I've marked everything, turning it right side out again, and I'm going to pin the bottom of the waistband of the skirt to that 12.75 marker. So I'm going to line up the side seams. So it's pinned all the way around. And then from the inside out, I'm going to show you how we're going to sew the pieces together. Okay, so this bottom half is the remainder of the shirt. And I'm just going to cut it off. And I'm going to sew. This is the bottom of the waistband of the skirt. I'm going to sew it to the bottom of the t-shirt. So I serged to the ends, and now I'm going to sew it on.
Bye, have a great time.